Today we have an appointment with destiny. This, the fuel tank. We're gonna disconnect those under there. This is what we need to remove. We need to remove a little this and a little that. There's the little shit. There's the little shit. Put it under there to hold this properly so that we can loosen those. But before that, I've got a date with these two. Jack. It's only being held by the jack. Let's see. Let's go to the other side. Let's go to the other side. We're almost there. See that? Tank is off, bro. Home DIY garage. We're doing this. Getting it in. Unclipped. Just a dirty old fuel pump. That's what it is. Just a dirty old fuel pump. Look at this. What's that? This looks used. This looks used. So this was replaced before, I'm guessing, by the looks of it. But they bought a used one. This is a used pump. Used pump. How can you do all that work and put in a used pump? Fucked up behavior. Bloody fucked up.
I've been standing here with my hands so cold, grease on my skin, but
some of this in there, some of that red stuff. Then now I'm gonna put some diesel. I've put in like half of the diesel bottle. So yeah, or almost half. Slosh it around,
From the ground up, brick by brick, this dream is real. Yeah, this is it. I don't rush it, I don't fake it. Everything I touch, I elevate it. In this garage, I found my way. I work, I pray, I stay. I build it with love. Every night with my own two hands till it's right. From nothing to something I trust. This is more than work, it's love. I build it with love, no disguise. Through the sweat and the tears in my eyes. If it breaks, I rise above. Home DIY, it will.
There's nothing that came out very dangerous. They got on me. So I'm just gonna now close it up. Close it up, close it up, close it up. As you can see, the cloth comes out clean. I can just give you an example of what this looks like. But the cloth comes out clean, so yeah, we are good to go. Good to go. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Something you would love to get for Christmas, Baba. We have this. We have that. Some of that, like that. So they give you a new cap. Look at that. Compare it with the older one. It's night and day, bro. Night and day. Night and day, bro. Night and day. They ain't even the same. This is crazy. This is crazy. See how this one is? They ain't even the same. They ain't the same, bro. But yeah, we're supposed to get it. We're supposed to get it. Yeah, so now we have to put this on. It goes around that. It goes around that. So yeah, let's do that. Let's do that like broodies. I can't use one hand, I need my two hands. So, but yeah, that's how you do it. Just stretch it in there. It's gonna sit. It's not that hard.
That's what she said.
So yeah, that's how it sits. It's just like that.
I don't need a fancy place, just a vision and a little faith. From the yard to bigger dreams, this is how it always been. This is how it always been. I don't rush it, I don't fake it. Everything I touch, I elevate it. In this garage, I found my way.
Yeah, it's in. I used the old VW one. It seems to work better than this one. This is the one that came with the new pump, but it didn't seem to want to twist properly. So make sure to keep your original one. This is useless.
I build it with love. Every night with my own two hands till it's right. From nothing to something I trust.
fancy tools, nothing. You've seen them. Water pump pliers. Then the size 13mm socket. That's it, and a jack. And something to remove the clips. That's all you need. Something to remove the clips, something to open this. There's a lot of wind. I'm fitting it from this side, the driver's side. But it would have been better if I had taken it out or jacked to the passenger side, which is the left-hand side. We in SA, right-hand drive. So yeah, it's easier if you put it through the left side of the vehicle than the right. But yeah, we live in lane. Getting it in. Yeah, so yeah, it's under there to make sure that it sits nicely, as you can see there. Yeah, we're almost done. We're fitting it to those and then hooking it up. Then game over. Biatch. So everything is back in connected. See, that's all it takes. There.
When I look around from the ground up, rising above, home DIY.
So I have a filled with over 10 liters, just about 10 liters with this. Yeah, so let's see if we're gonna win. Let's see if we're gonna win. Actuation test. Fuel pump. Let's see. There it is. It sounds. It's alive. So the fuel pump is fine. I can even hear the relay clicking. So let's see. I need to get out of the car so that I can see if there's any leaks underneath when I start cranking the car. Oh, almost. Let's prime it a bit.
The ground up, build a bar. The ground up, build a border, build the ground up, build the ground up, build the ground up, build the ground up.
There we go. No leaks from under there. No leaks from under there. So yeah, we're gonna give it a full tank of gas. We're gonna give it a full tank of gas.
I was walking through Grand Fontaine, just another ordinary day, with a friend looking for some food. Didn't know my life would change that way. I wasn't looking for love back then. My heart was quiet, I was young and free. I only wanted a friend to talk to. Didn't know you were meant for me. February 2012, the moment I didn't understand, God was writing our love story while I was holding your hand. I met you